Man them. What's up now, man them? Yo, W man them. Dog, how this look so dog? Man them. What's up now, man them? Oh. Man them, I gone now. They know code is live, you know, cause hey, Yanika, warm Yanika. Yanika, what's up? Active said you know man them. Tell dog say just start. Activate. No, you're good? Yeah. Like how from your birthday start, I want all that. From your birthday come and he would link me dog. That's what make. From your birthday come bro and he would show me up. From your birthday come and he would call me or nothing. And he would call me. Come on, let me share with him, dog. And me can two size up. Why not? Cause them will feel with the same man size up. What going on, man? Them. Me go out from brother and night and me day after exam this day. Oh, man, one one's be hey. Ready. You see me warm up, hold on. Warm up. So make you know for now. Make you know say I warm up dog. Yeah bro. Make sure you say you know say I warm up bro. Share with stream Anika. I come and say me stream too early. Let me do Yanika. Stream too early. Man, I have yellow room now, say man, they make yellow room turn like say dog. Man, then tap you Scraft and cousin. Where do Wi-Fi? Where you do? Don't get green a dog. But you need to say? Maybe some people there at school, probably. And new phone me watch pan. What kind of phone I get? iPhone XR or iPhone 30 mission? Or iPhone 13. That first game for a man, bro. Come here, play so. So me just don't be you know. I'm gonna catch that. I'm gonna catch them there. Go there. Oh God, now me a play so. No, iPhone it. Wind there. Oh, brother. Ready to beard? Yeah, I beard every morning before I stream. Usually I'm not going to school at 2 o'clock. You ready, right? Now you're supposed to go to school, brother. Those what I'm doing. Headshot me if you headshot me. Headshot me if you headshot me. I know say you never smell me, you know. From your body never smell me. You didn't even know me. You only hear my voice. Always my face on TV. You didn't even know me. Why you being so ridiculous? Why you being so... You didn't even know me, brother. Must have already that play. I'm gonna behave. I'm gonna keep that. Come here. Ride him. You very welcome too. I mess up that. I'm not play a good brother. New word being so what? See, really dog? Yo, stop. Disgrace me now. I didn't. Disgrace me. Disgrace me. Disgrace me, man. Active. And the V with the same man size up. Why not? Come down here, brother. Weave. Psych. Psych again. What do you do somewhere? Pumpty dog. Yo, chill guy. Now it's too much verse. If you back out. Oh, you back out. Someone can tell me say back out. This man even tell me say back out, dog. Come on, man. Be that custom. Some 4v4 man play. Get up someone on the stream. Come make you get up someone on the stream, dog. One tap. Come, dog. Yeah, man, I'm share the stream, dog. Oh, me not put na image in India, because I know man, I love spam, bro. Forward up. First is 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, I'm forward up. Give me a minute. And then we feel with the same man size up. Why not? Forward up, man, them. Forward up, man, them. Pass it, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. My name forward. Appeal. They're live, cause where money in the dog? Add money. What is the most middle life, brother? What's the point? Come on, man, forward. Kenzo, go on, come. 4v4, 4v4. 2v4 next. Oh, that's something to go. Oh. Ready now? Better, they say you want 2v, alright. Suppose you get boxed up, what you go feel?
It's showtime.
Oh. Alright, young done. Alright. Nice. One more to go. Right on. I'm bad. Nice, I'm bad. Nice boy. I'm tell you what. So why them DHF 1v6 and they know they cannot. Active man. Like I'm saying. Man, I'm never see him so early. Come on, someone never see him so early down. Team could shoot them, man. Screen. See me. Nice. Now boy cousin. Yo, share with him from your cousin. Active in an iPod. Dini? In a day. I'm supposed to go to school. Them boys say they want 2v4. Is it? Tell us that they can't 2v4, bro. Yeah, they want to check me first. They ain't gone on yourself. Forward. Attack them. One the two, sir? Bombo clock, G-man. Hit me a door forward. Can I come play next on the iPad? Come on, like up stream, man. Man, we must give away the Asher shoes, man. You want to give away the Asher shoes? Nice, sir, this. So it's bombard. Apila hacking, bro. Apila hacking? Or raw ox, man, them. Raw ox or apila hacking? Apila hacking or raw ox? What's your name, Lady? I'm not one for me. Press keys. Unbox me. Ah! Dog, slap me lip. Pull on the dog. Rango bomba, damn dungs are afraid. Hold on them on them. Go suck your man a Bojack's active, right? One right, things you gonna school, dog. You man dunks your freight, dog. Things you didn't even go to school, dog. Dog, didn't even dunks your freight. Bombard, dog. Didn't even dunks your freight, cuz. Buckler man lead by 2. And to eat off of your sister, Jaja. Punk your niece. You have to breed him on them. Don't make him knock your fuss in our face. Nice, where it is. You can't win this. Man, must wrangling go share your dog. You can't do that now, bro. I'm there say, oh, man, I see no man, dog, Jaja, cause then them not no school, dear one. Dini, are you not gonna school today, Dini? Dog, you know if you mind that, I say Dini not gonna no school, Dini gonna school, you see it. That you know if you mind, dog. Dog. Prefer dating. Man, them want to play some 4v4 in the dog. Teach them no Dini. Can't make them. Oh, we are lead, we are lead. Man, you know, say 2v6 and look what man do with dog. What shines there? Man, them start camp, you see it? Two of them are losing start camp, me can't find either one. And either one just go pick out your head anytime, dog. Alright, I'm a dog spot him. I have to catch you. See me, attack him. Attack him, no, I'm not killed. You want the boy if you run up in the nose, you see dog? Come on there, come to no bat. A 2v6 this dunks. No brother, 2v4. Fuck that boy you can't dead. Man them. Whoa family. Oh, come some 2v4 we go play now man them. Come about 2v4, you go play some. Me get a new sensei, me a work one. Oh man them come some 4v4 you play dog. 4v4 one tap, you see. See. What? Some bomb buckler guild war. You have guild war? Man, you have guild war? Password 1 2 3 4. Can do some guild war there, but no guild not there for war cause external real or alright cause man you never have guild for war much less the cut out the slackness cause cut out the slackness. Now add no UMP one tap you see don't make they can play guild war. My guild ain't activate. Don't make a button man and pick up kills. M10. I don't want to chip M10 no, I put no chip M10. And man him chip up that bomb that what a piece of thing. You can play guild war X and real alright bro. Activate. I mean I say back over I said thing. Me have dumb syndrome. That I cannot add no man, so no man not them fear them. I can't add no man. Pass it a 1 2 3 4 forward up. Forward up man them. Pass it a 1 2 3 4. Man, and like up the stream, no dog. 5 likes and 14 man there, cause better than that, dog. 10 likes we start, man. Them 10 likes we start, so no like up the stream, cause forward up. There's an appear. Come, 5 more man forward. Nice. Game fuck Dini. 1 more man forward. Pass these always all of the crap man them on this side. Warm up. If man talk about them ass, even the ass bro, it don't make no sense in come in here cause come on, man, forward up. Who afford, one more money all they need. Ready now, ready. Alright, let's go, man, them. So that the Wi-Fi, better Wi-Fi runs sweet to the dog. No, what going, bro? And like up the stream, cause like when the hey school here cooler. Man, them I know say yesterday I talk to Cristiano Ronaldo dog. Man tell me say man carry down a 50 pack for me. Is it? Talk to him man last night, bro. HR, you see me HR that boy that means I talk to him for true. Me headshot the boy that means I talk to him for true, man. Them. No, hide. Just say all out, you know. You shot him, you know? That means you're true, brother. Hey God, that means you're true, you see it, and I lie me tell them, bro. So I talked to him last night, brother. Brother man, seriously dog. Alright, let's knock. Dog, oh I'm gonna get me killed, bro. I'm gonna get me killed. And who kill me, motherfucker? Who kill me? PvP G man, alright. Like why you kill me? I come back in, bro. I come back for you, I swear to God, bro. I mean, I go back for him, dog. I did all out here, bro. I go back for him, dog. Wait down there. Hey! Me need see me no dog. A G man. Me need see him. Alright, Dini. Show you something now, Dini. Show you something, Dini. iPad. Nice iPad. Kill him man now, bro. Show them say better than G man. Show me say better than G man. Show me say better than G man. Nice. Nice. Jesus Christ. Nice examine, bro. W man. Alright, Dini. Show something now, Dini. Dini, show me something, Dini. Nice, Dini. Man, them cracking a dog. Come, show me something. Don't make your man scope a shot here. Don't make your man scope a shot here, Dini. Dini, don't make your man scope a shot here, bro. Dini, go make your man scope a shot him. What a disgrace for Jamaica. Nice. Jesus Christ, I mess up all. Dini, go make your man scope a shot him, you know? Don't make your man scope a shot here, Dini. Dini, I mess up. Dini, I mess up. Dini, I mess up, dog. God have mercy. Dini, I mess up. Dini, I mess up. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Stop calling. Woodpecker no man them. Go for your axe. I go for your axe, dog. No man no ball. No man no. Stop the balling, bro. Stop balling. Stop the balling. No man no ball. No man no ball. Hate the game. No man no ball, dog. No, me no want hear no man a ball. No man no ball to me. No man. No man me no want a ball to me, dog. Z, no man. No man, me no want a ball to me. Come. Crackers man, come over here, so. Come no man. You ready? I'm not catch that. Axe not activate. Axe not activate. Jesus Christ, I told him. Ufos, ufos, ufos. 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 Me say ufos. Onyx. Onyx, 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 I come get it. Onyx. Can't keep me so easy. Third. Third. Come here. Third. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Third. Welcome get it third. You? You? No, don't peek. Don't peek, man. Don't peek. Why you do that, bro? You see me do ball cute. Look at boy to the thing, man. If you empty and everything, then. You see, two them boy then must have crack on anything in the dark. I tell someone say then put in a then type of gill and start ball. Solos jam. Bring them come. Bombo. I see that one now. What did he kill me? I kill him. This one did he kill me? No, no him. See me in so. Him the in so. Right? Him. Chippy, it 2 and 1 pick up no man. Me didn't want to pick up no man, brother. Me didn't want to pick up no man. Me didn't want to pick up a man. Yes, it 2 and 1 I don't want to pick up a man. I can't me attack you. Can't me. iPad. Yeah man, iPad. In dead in nice one. iPad. Man them, wanna say no do? Man them do uno want me give away Astra shoes, man, them? Uno want me give away Astra shoes? Anytime reach 2.71k, me give away the Astra shoes. We get eliminated, bro. We get defeated? Although, what life said there. No, you iPad and the wow, took your money, stop coming. Yo, no one add UMP night? Let me know if you know one add UMP night. Too easy? Well, if I made this is actually circumstances, does it? You know what UMP night? Tell me if you know what UMP night. Those from no. If you add UMP to be where it's for you all. I know my God. Dini, don't tell me no man Dini. Don't tell me no man Dini. I want to add it. But you know, so I never add SKs, me add SKs. Me add S now, me add that. Add UMP. Alright, me add it. Who add me the time? That. Why UMP? Oh. Let me see the password. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 up. If you had the character already. Very global shift or something there, dog. See it. 4 up. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 up. Hold up, man. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and Dini can go suck no mother. Dini go suck never big boss batty boy. Shines. But go suck Bruce left boss batty boy. And yeah, me na group. Me lucky me the yard. Yeah, pussy. Come on, them 3 more man, 2 more man. Then come off a game because you know you're not good. Come off a game, little boy. Tap play a game and go look walk. Man, them hear me go do. I'm gonna give away the Astro shoes, right? I'm gonna give away the Astro shoes, dog. Don't come from me selling an iPad, come go break up you. No, sir, me don't want them over. I don't want them over. I don't want them over here. Yeah, remember saying never father in a right. G-man, yeah, switch. Bro. Come. 2 more on the 4. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have parties, bro. Me have party, dog. Let's come now, let's not play. Why let's not play? Me swim tonight, yeah? Them here. Just care 1-2 grand, you see it, cuz? Just care 1-2 grand when you come, dog. Go on know if you spell brawl in iPod. Look for your mother. Come, Redis. Man, him, come now, add man. Add man. Nice. One more man forward. Because them a little boy a batty boy in a dog. May I tell you, cuz. You must know which one of them, you know. Right now, me and my mother. Because I did want to tell you first. Oh, now tell your mother, talk to your mother about that one day. Oh, I'm going to put MP5, Jaja. We getting that now. Jesus Christ, dog. Bro, take time with me, dog. Man, name want to burn up the whole of me, dog. And I get knocked so quick, you know. Where boy in there? They do it laugh. A batty boy youth, but they do laugh. Batty boy don't say anything there, little boy. Come here. Hey! You see me? Yeah man, you fucker, you come down. Come down, little boy. Come down, little boy. But I'm youth. But I'm gonna do my matter up on this, but I need to see iPod. I need to see iPod, dog. Yo, man, I'm like up a stream now, dog. Come, bro. Bro, you see if iPod didn't kill me? I would win, bro. I swear to God, dog. Whoa, SKS looks sweet, man. Them dog, man. Yo, don't kick him. Don't kick him, dog. Don't kick him, bro. At school, them here? Oh, them here coming this morning. Hey, Mado. I'm mad at me, dog. Yo, seriously, J-Man, seriously, dog. J-Man, we are burying a dog. You know just a J-Man the one play, bro. I'm not kill him already, dog. Just tell me what's your play, bro, that I can start lift up right for them hard too. Yo, Milan. Active now, bro. Shooter, kill him on a shooter. Why you do shooter? Kill him on a shooter. Nice shooter. Who that? Bar? Show me something now, Bar. Bar, show me something now, Bar. You million one, bro? Better Bar, go back in his one go. Go yeah, ain't dead in a dog. If Bar kill one man, me top player. Go yeah. It's gonna kill him. Bar I know how to do. Nice Bar, Jesus Christ. Bar. Hey, but a bitch. Man, them 2SKs, everything knock. No, some no love SKs. I rather Udi Peka. Hey, Peter. Feel myself tonight, man. Them. Feel myself tonight. Not tomorrow, tonight. How that? How do that? iPod man, him iPod. iPod, they know so they not crack, so they'll some size up, bro. They'll do every size up next time. Me I can't help cousin. Him a run. Him carrying on me there, so anything I'm hold me squeezy. Anything I'm hold. Nice. Leg on me vest. Couple my dog watch me so many I say. So what am I gonna do? Box me? May I ask you? What am I gonna box me? Me ask you, them gonna do what, box me? But a couple mad dog can go suck them mother. I'm telling the boy I grill out and I tell him no dog. Nobody boy pan the villa man, I'm mad. Everything I'm hold me jaw down, yeah? Anything I'm hold me jaw down. You know how long they need this dog? No, how me reach here so quick? Come to Nadini. Come back here. Come down the film and them, see me? Come down film. You know no manners. Come down film, you know no manners. Squad be in danger. Kada slackness, aye. Kada slackness was so be in danger. The commercial money lick off on them film and say, what me do? When I want to say, think me now here, you go on it, you see me? Real man. Yo. Take a boy enough for this, you. Money. Yo. or cut all them. Man like them man there. They just see stream and cut all them. You don't say. That's what kind of party man them there watch. See that. You want to hear that? You want to hear that? Ajam, Jesus Christ. The man say, come here, go up in the yard, go circle him. Guys saying dunks in the dog. Yo! Guys saying dunks for the targets. Another, what tell you one of them man bend you out of broadboard. Yeah man, scream to go send him man. Yeah man, scream to go send him. Scream to go send him man. Right down here the man come. You man should be just a beat people on your lip. Ah, yo, come man, them come. Come X in your real. Come slap that man. Yeah, I kind of cause. How did you look so sweet? I love you. Kill him man now, kuya. Seriously? Leave one red dog. Alright, but I'll show some bar. Yeah, man, kill him, man, brother. Nice boy. G man, dead in, man. Nice. Nice boy, be red. Nice bar. Hyper them fool. And then you am come here, I'll come stream my iPad. You know, like a Wi-Fi, you're too little and little boy. But they think they get it. Who cares, man? Man, a bad man, dude. Man, circle that beer buckle. Take me out of the body bomb. So what did you make him manage at me? What are them doing there so? Yeah, circle them man. Boy, them black and red so. Bomb clot. Help man them. Dog, I put the house man. Ande. You feel bad? You feel bad then? Yo, you know me I tell that game is serious. Come on, you're not supposed to lead by yo. I take a game serious now, dog. Hey, boy, yo, come, you go pay some man. Come down, you go pay some. Man, them bomber ass clot. Dog. Bro. Bomber. Dog. Hey, put jam, get a Gilwar. Who want Gilwar, man, them? Who want Gilwar? Remember no who want Gilwar, dog. Gilwar, man, Gilwar. No, Miss Ganja. Alright, yo, so you know how they said in the one Gilwar again? Somebody said in the one Gilwar, you know? Who? Twin man, you there? Let me see. You don't want more vengeance? Vengeance X them? Vengeance? No, sir, you want vengeance them, boy? Yeah, dunks, boy! Me so my ganja eat a girl something now. Man, them want to play some Gilwar that who they have to play Gilwar, bro. Who they dog? Man, them Gilwar, bro. Gilwar, dog. Suck your mother. That who they have to play some Gilwar, bro. Come on, me expect some customs, you. Come, me expect. Me expect, bro. Me make it, dog. No, sir, no more emptying. But the man might use UMB too much, bro. That. Come, password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 up. Password is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4 up, dog. 1, 2, 3 for the password, bro. Who not get pigeon? Who didn't get to join? Free spot forward. I'm on forward. I saw them button like me, hey, tell a boy that I am me squeeze it. Who not get pigeon? Who didn't get to join? Let's go, bro. Everybody, hey, this what me ganja in a girl something now. Which boy if you win? Which boy if you win? That? What is so? Yes. So okay, mother, go on. This what my ganja. Hey, can't chip me. Hey, can't chip me. Hey! Bombard! I put a good trash of red. Man, I say I put trash. I put trash, bro. Nice, Dennis. Dennis. Come here, sama India. Satamai. Bombard, Apila. Nice, Dennis. Dennis dead. I be have one set jeep, only thing boy have an head, I have one head. Damn, better my hand out steady, bro. Dog, I'm not going up there, bro. Alright. Ou wap levan fit azin. Ou wap levan fit azin. Nice, come up. Nice boy. Nice boy. Man, right now I think say I'm gonna do the subject giveaway, right? The Astro shoes giveaway. But I wanna know if at 3 o'clock in time school I'm just a start yesterday. Very easy. iPad, come run him on one iPad, make him man kneel your cuz. iPad, the man when you run him once. Where's the boy you come from? Nice. Kiss me tita, kill ya look. I'm pretty sure this sounds sweet. Stop running iPod, running man once. Man them some 1v1 knockouts. Come here play some 1v1 knockouts dog. I see it. Man, I want to say so 1v1 knockouts or some 2v2s. I'm gonna put it as a poll. My name is some 1v1 knockouts man playing a dog. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. I'll join when I see iPod. End poll. Hold on there, man. Hold on there. No, I don't want to ask them questions. Rasclat. Global. Nice. No, man them. Jamal, you know. Jamal. Alright. Get active. Hold on, man, get active now. Let me get active now. Come. 1. Dog, what's happening here? Man them. Alright, what am I going to pull? 1v1 knockouts or 2v2? Do a knockouts. Knockouts 2v2 duo knockouts or PvP knockouts. Come on, no vote up. Come on, vote up, man, them. Let me see one who choose. Let me see one who wanna choose, dog. Come back. That's one of them for ready, casa? Dog! That's one of them drinking juice like batchy, dog. Let me know what I say, dog. Who first I go? Well, I see 2v2 do knockouts. Alright, 2v2 do knockouts, man, them. Come. Get in the door. I'm not going to get in the door and forward. Come on, get in the door, man. Get in the door, dog. Alright, so that's everything good there. So hold on, let me check if we got them. Ready? Pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. Now forward up. Do a knockout. Pass the 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward up, man. Them. Two v two do a knockout, so forward. Who for door for? Come on, other man. Who play? Who else? Which door for? Which door? Forward up. Warford. Adedo. And I'm going to take a voice from another phone. Easy. In Freddy. Freddy. Yo, got to cut my boy quick. I'm running go for the axe. Jam. Hurry up. It's not cousin. You in a man. I'm not greasy dog. I'm in dog greasy cousin. Hope him does for me down in a bro. Give me this, sir. Nice up here. Ay, pila. Nice. Mess up, bro. My hand is in, bro. But now why the boy again? Nice boy. Nah, worry brother, man, worry that man. But me say if you ever shoot me again, but me tell you about your parents. I said about the easy kill. Your man help me look sweet to me. Where? Them a little boy that girl say Let me tell you something if you never do idiot. Boy, Jesus Christ, I mean, make you know me. Kill the man, hurry up and kill the man, bro. Hey boy, top camp boy. Nice. I need to stay awake. Sealer. When you see those doors, come here. Zero damage, that's crazy, man. Zero damage is crazy, bro.